Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a spooky themed video. It's actually going to be a YouTubers collab video with a few other Lolita YouTubers, and I thought that this candlelight thing would be fun. We'll see how that goes for the lighting. I am Puree, by the way, and today we are going to be doing a spooky themed video and hopefully more soon because Halloween is really fun. I love dressing up, like, outside of Lolita. I like doing cosplay and costume stuff. I mean, I think you guys can probably get that from my channel considering I did, like, the Ren Fair stuff, and I'm going to be showing you guys my cosplay things. If you're interested, stick around. If not, that's fine too. You don't have to watch those, but just giving you a little precursor. But today we're going to be doing a collaboration with the Lolita YouTubers group, and I always like doing the collaborations with them. And I really apologize if you hear any background noise. I don't live in the quietest area, but just letting you know. I almost blew it out. Yeah, so presenting you with the Lolita collaboration video for October. This is really hot. I'm gonna blow this out actually. Wow, we have a smoke machine in the studio. Oh my god. See, I should not be handling these things. I don't know if you could see that, but I didn't even think about the fact that there's literal hot wax in that candle, and I moved that very recklessly. That almost got on my Lolita or my skin. Anyway, let me go over the notes. Okay, now that I actually have the notes in front of me because I didn't prepare, this collaboration is called the Spooky Season Collab, and it is created by Toastchan. Toastchan's channel is right here. Go check them out. I know they also do TikTok, and they also have an Instagram, so I'll put all that in the description. And this is their channel. You can click up there or up there, one of the corners, and you can get there. Yeah, and they made this collab for us to use, and I really appreciate that. So go check them out. They also do Lolita and I believe OG content, so check them out. So I'm gonna do the scariest thing. You probably just got a glimpse of it, but I'm gonna do the scariest thing known to a lot of Lolitas that's going to really top off this collab. Gonna add some pointy ears to the headdress so I can look ridiculous. All right. I wanted to scare you guys in this video, so I won't keep them too much in frame so that, you know, you can manage watching it, but little jump scare. Anyways, let's get right into it. Okay, so number one, show us your creepy cute coordinates. So that's what I'm wearing right now, and I'm going to put on the side of me right here. I did my makeup in kind of like a dark, spooky way, a little dramatic. I am wearing my dark wig, and then I'm wearing this handmade headdress that I made a while ago. It's just like a black ribbon and a white lace. And then for the top, I am wearing this juicy couture top that I got a long time ago. It's probably from the early 2000s. I'm wearing my Innocent World Toy Parade, not the AP one, but the Innocent World one. And this one kind of gives me both Halloween and Christmas vibes, but the dark colors and like the way the doll looks gives me like more of like a spooky vibe. So that's what I'm doing. Then I found this clip that I got like in high school in Hot Topic, and it's really cute, honestly, and not bad quality. And I didn't realize this. I thought they were just clips because they came in two, and I always wore them in my hair. But I realized that there's actually a pin on the back, but there's no bow right here. There's nothing right here. So I was like, that would be cute to add to it. So that's what I did. I'm wearing my classical puppets putty coat and a Baby the Starshine Bright mini heart enamel bag. For stockings, I'm wearing these black Forever 21 socks that have like a high lace on it, And I know that this would be a little controversial for some Lolitas because it is Rochelle lace, and not a lot of Lolitas like Rochelle lace. I'm indifferent with it. It depends to me on like where it's at and what kind it is and all that stuff. But I thought it was like a very elegant and Halloween-esque lace. Like, I don't know, I felt like it went with the theme. Sorry, there's a lawnmower. So the second question is, what are your favorite spooky movies or songs? So honestly, this is really hard for me because I have a lot of them, but I'm gonna go with like what it makes me most nostalgic and like a comfort movie that's Halloween themed, and that is Halloween Town. Even though I don't really get to watch it every year because I don't have like Disney Plus, and I don't ever feel like renting it because I don't know, but like I do watch it sometimes. I don't know, it just gives me really good like warm feelings because that's like when I would come home from school, like and they were doing like the Halloween stuff on Disney Channel and they'd play the Halloween movies. I'd always like Halloween Town was like one of my favorites to watch, so that was fun. I also like Monster House. Monster House is a good movie too, to be honest. Like, and I like Corpse Bride too, but I feel like I wouldn't want to say that because I feel like everyone does. Like, you know, that's like everyone gets that, you know. But it's a good one. I like it way better than Nightmare Before Christmas. So sorry, anybody who will hate me for that, but I think Nightmare Before Christmas is a little overrated. It's a good movie. It's just a little overrated. I feel like Corpse Bride is like so much better. Okay, moving on. Oh, number 3. What is your favorite Halloween creature or character? Ooh. Okay, so this isn't really like Halloween themed, but it's a creature. And my favorite cryptid is the Jersey Devil, because ever since I was a child, I would always watch like, I think it was Animal Planet or Discovery Channel would do like, I think it was called Monster Hunt, I believe. I could be totally wrong with that, but really I believe it was called Monster Hunt, and they would like go over all these like cryptids and monsters, and like I think specifically in the United States, and like their legends and stuff. And the Jersey Devil one was like always like the most intriguing to me, and like I thought it was like so weird and cool, and I loved hearing about people's experiences with it and all this stuff. And like, he's just superior as a cryptid in my opinion. And then as for a character, like I think that Michael Myers is kind of like, not cool, but like I like the Halloween movies. So I'm gonna say that because I feel like there's probably one that I'm like totally missing that I really like, because I have really terrible like retrieval of my own interests, but I'll put it in here if I like something else. Number 4, what's the best Halloween candy? Okay, I was literally like just talking about this. So I'm gonna say like not just normal, like out of just things that come during the Halloween time, these suckers or lollipops, whatever you want to call them, the caramel apple ones, top tier. I know that they sell them like not just during Halloween, but they come out more so in Halloween, and they're so good. It's good. And then like my actual favorite candy, I don't know, I like so much candy. I like literally get scared that I think I'm literally addicted to sugar. Like, I know that's pretty normal, but like it's a problem. So I'm just gonna move on. Number 5, describe your ideal Halloween meetup. Oh, okay, yeah, this would be my ideal one. So there's like a place, like there's like this historical museum around where I live, that does like, I think this is probably not just like for my area, I'm sure this is like in other areas of the world and state and stuff, but they have like a village that's like connected to the history museum where they like, you know, reenact like whatever time era it is, usually like Victorian times, if I am correct. It's been a really long time since I've been there, but as a kid I used to go, and they do this like Halloween like event for the entire month, and they have like the headless horseman, and they have like all these really cool, it's like if you saw like Disney World. I mean, I've never been to Disney World during that time, but like I know that they kind of go all out with like the Halloween decorations. It's like that, and they have like this like headless horseman character come out, and it's like really cool and not cheesy, and at least from what I remember. And I really wanted to go this year, but they're like all sold out, like even though it's not even October yet. But that's would be like the perfect meetup. So maybe in the future if I have more money and more time to plan something. 6. What items within the theme are on your wish list? Okay, I probably won't get this for a long time, but I actually like I literally cannot tell if I love it or like if I don't care that much about it. But those blouses, I'm not sure, I don't remember who makes them. I will put it here. But those blouses that have like the bat pattern collars, I like, cause like I don't know, I don't care too much about like bat themed things all too much, because I think it, for me personally, it's just like a little bit too specific of the time, like of Halloween for me. So I'm like, I don't know, but I've been drawn to them. And just more cross things. I really want to get a Matier cross collar. I almost, or choker, literally almost bought that. Didn't. Should have bought that. I was like, oh, I can't wear that much in my day-to-day, but that's such a lie. I could. So I don't know why I didn't. Maybe in the future. So yeah, but I'm gonna have a question for you guys. What is your favorite thing to wear around Halloween that's not like a costume? Like, do you go into like work or school or something and wear a specific thing that's like of the theme but it's not too extra? Like I would always go in with these skeleton socks because they were cute. They kind of reminded me of like 2010s J fashion stuff. So yeah, but yeah, let me know if you have like a very like Halloween themed clothing item that you get to wear like when the season comes around for festivity's sake. Okay, see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and check out everybody else's stuff. The playlist is down below. I don't know why I didn't say that earlier, but yeah, playlist is down below. I'm in the playlist. Go check everybody else out. See you later. Bye.